go! Yes, it's pageant season again, and we're going to have a reaction video again for you, for all of you. But today, or tonight, or this year, I'm gonna be Luana Cavalcante representing Brazil. Yes, I think she will win because she has a very beautiful face. She has personality. She's an actress back home, and she has I think she has a very thriving career as a movie star. So she has a very beautiful face, beautiful body, and I hope she performs well on the Miss Universe pageant. Okay, so we're going to have a reaction video for the Miss Universe pageant. So please come and join me. This is now my send-off. My name is Denise, and welcome to my channel, Megami Lifestyle. Hello! I'm already here at Mexico City. I just arrived for the Miss Universe 2024 beauty pageant. Tonight, just hang on there because we're going to have our live reaction video, okay? So just stay there. Babu. Okay, we're back and we're now going to discuss with my friends, of course, the owner of the house, Miss Philippines. Hi. And of course, another friend is Bobby, is Miss Chile. Okay, we're discussing over chocolate cake for our sponsor, Madam Chair. Bobby is our sponsor for the chocolate cake, and for the hot chocolate is Miss the House of Representatives. Congresswoman. May pa chocolate cake si Mayor. So, I will be giving you now my top 12. Okay, please listen. Top 12. This is ranking from lowest to the winner. Number 12 is Thailand. Okay, she's very pretty. Maganda ng performance niya during the swimsuit. And the next is New Zealand. Still, she's a Filipina, but she grew up in New Zealand. She's also nice in the swimsuit. Number 10 is Venezuela. Hindi ko na-explain. Alam niyo na bakit. Char. And then number 9 is Dominican Republic. Maganda siya. Alam ko perfect. Pero meron siyang, sabi nila, attitude problem. It's okay. And number 8 is Australia. I like her. She's fresh looking. Para siyang surfer na sexy and beautiful. Number 7 is Zimbabwe. Oh, bakit hindi? She's very pretty. And she's also nice body. By the way, I based all my top 12 in the swimsuit competition. So, it's on face and then the beauty of the body, okay? Let me repeat, it's Thailand, New Zealand, Mexico, Dominican Republic, Australia, Zimbabwe, then Venezuela. Then after Venezuela, the top 5 is Chile. Oh, she's very beautiful and she can sing. And then, number 4 is Philippines. Sorry po, pero yun talaga para sa performance. This is basing on the top the swimsuit preliminary not the final swimsuit. So, tingnan natin kung I hope makapasok siya sa 30, and if she really does well, then maybe magbabago yung baka mapasok siya sa, I'm also hoping that she will win. Pero syempre kami kasi mga friends, may kanya-kanya kaming bet. And then number 3 is Peru. Oh, need I say more? Ang ganda ng Peru, perfect. Katawan, mukha. Then number 2 is Russia. I think Russia is a dark horse. Bakit? Because she has a very beautiful face. Ang galing ng performance niya sa swimsuit. And also, ang ganda ng mukha, ganda ng katawan. Magaling ang performance. Perfect. Bata pa siya. And I think she's single and she's very young. And I think she can win the Miss Universe. If not, first runner-up. And of course, my very favorite for this year is Brazil. She has a very beautiful face. Oh, my Miss Brazil, very beautiful. She's a movie star and maganda ang performance din, maganda ang katawan and everything. Okay? So let's wait for the other friends. Sino ang top 5 nila? Okay?
Okay, here are the list of my top 5. My 4th runner-up is Miss Russia. Ang ganda niya talaga, and during the prelims, Yung evening gown niya, very unique, very pretty, uh, and very elegant looking. My third runner-up is Miss Denmark. Uh, for me, sa Europe, siya ang Barbie. Barbie ang beauty niya. My second runner-up is Peru, the best friend of Miss Philippines. Very humble, very pretty, and I saw her sa Miss International. And yun, maganda siya. And I think parang top 10 yata siya. My first runner-up is Miss Dominican Republic.
Oh, the attitude.
Yes. Pero gi-base ko ito sa performance niya during the prelims. The Pasarela. Kamukha din siya, may relevance siya dun. Kamukha niya si Miss Universe 2003. And my winner is Miss Philippines, my sentimental favorite. And without bias, I think she will be a very good Miss Universe.
My number 5 or the fourth runner-up is Miss Peru because she is beautiful and simple. Then my third runner-up is Brazil. Yes. Then my my second runner-up is Philippines, and my first runner-up is Chile, and my winner is Denmark.
Okay, you should defend your...
Denmark, she's a Barbie. She's a blonde Barbie.
Okay, hello guys, and welcome to our sashing. Before the pageant starts, dapat ilagay yung sash, okay? So, first muna ako, Miss Brazil. Of course, because you are letter D from B, then I will put Denmark, okay? And of course, from the Philippines, hello, mabuhay! Thank you. Okay, we're ready.
Ready for the most beautiful day
Of the universe.
Ay, ganda rin ako. Oh,
Sabi ko sa'yo. Macau din. Hungary. Oh. Sabi ko nga sa masikip sa backstage. Italy. Bet ko din. Korea. Ganda. Oh, Macau. Parang macho.
Lumapad ang
Oo, lumapad ang mukha. Hong Kong gumanda. Yan, maganda. Oo, maganda. Pinasok ko yan. Mexico. Ganda. Oo. Yan, maganda. Myanmar. Mapasok yan sa top 30 ko. New Zealand. Ay! Ganda. Bing Bing. Ah, what Barbie?
Ay, oo, maganda ang Nigeria. Yan.
Yes, the Lord! My God!
France?
Oh my God, natuwa ko! Siya din lati. Siya din, diba last, nandito tayo, France yung nakuha. Diba yung nandito din tayo, France yung una nun, diba nauna ako nagtayo? Oo.
Ay!
Ay!
Marinig mo yung Philippines.
Serbia. Vietnam, diba sabi ko mapasok talaga. Puerto Rico!
Meron magsigaw ng Philippines.
Gano'n ang Philippines.
Nigeria!
Oh, Black Party.
Canada! Cuba!
Oh, maganda. Cuba.
China!
Oh,
Japan!
wala na pa ako.
Egypt!
Oh! Sabi ko lagi, tawagin lagi, papasukin na lagay mo na yan.
Mexico! Argentina! Thailand!
niya pala.
Diyos ko.
Shoulder niya, tingnan niyo. Payat siya.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Barbie,
Ano rin
Barbie
si-
arms. Hindi Barbie.
Advancing to the semi. Peru!
Nag-uumpisa. Nag-uumpisa na. Titin.
Macau!
Diyos ko, Lo.
The next woman advancing is Philippines! Philippines!
Rampa-rampa.
It has always been my dream since I was a little girl. I was only that girl who would always look into the mirror and pretending to be Philippines in the Miss Universe stage.
Oh my God! Nakuha talaga ang Philippines. My God. Sana makuha siya sa top 12.
Next,
Philippines!
Ecuador!
Wala pa ang Brazil.
Wala pa ang ano, Denmark.
Bolivia!
Maganda ang Bolivia.
Malaysia!
Wala pa ang ano.
It's time to meet our final 10 semi-finalists. Russia!
Dalawa na.
Russia. Din.
Dalawa ba sa'yo?
Aruba!
Hala.
Ang dami pang wala. Maraming ito. Tama din na maraming effect kuyo.
May ito kuyo.
Wala pa ang dome rep.
Wala pa galing
Gusto ko makuha
Denmark.
ang Dominican Republic.
Denmark kayo, wala
Denmark.
pa.
Wala ka.
Chile, wala pa.
Wala ka pa na.
Wala pa talaga.
Wala pa ang Brazil. Brazil.
Finland! Dominican Republic!
Sabi ko sa inyo eh.
Cambodia! Nicaragua!
Wala pa galing ang Chile.
Wala pa ang Brazil, wala pa ang Denmark.
Dapat sa harap. Harap sa camera.
Ano talaga siya?
Hala!
Bueno,
Chile pa, Chile.
The next delegate,
Dalawa na lang.
Venezuela,
Wala
Chile,
pa. Dalawa na lang.
Tatlo pa.
Venezuela!
Ay!
Zimbabwe!
Yun, nakalimutan natin. Paano siya?
Dalawa na,
Sobrang
lang.
yan siya.
Dalawa na lang.
Isa na lang.
Dalawa pa. Wala, Chile,
Parang
wala
hindi na ako
pa.
hindi na ako mag-hope. Parang
Chile.
Chile na ang makukuha.
Joining the top 30 and winner of the Miss Universe People's Choice Fan Vote is
Chile.
Oh my God, ang ilto kuyo.
Kuyo ang Brazil.
Okay, mag-change na ako ng Russia.
So, since di pumasok ang Brazil, my second choice is Russia. Okay? Go Russia! Charot!
Hindi na natin, best.
France.
Iba na ang color ng swimsuit nila.
Buti nga. Tingnan mo ang shoes. Hindi ko maganda, hindi ko gusto. Ganun ang katawan.
Ang ano nga yung shoes o yung
Di ba, tsaka? Hindi sexy. Hindi siya nakaka-sexy.
malapad yung
Malapad yung heels. Ay, galing. Galing ang Vietnam. Yan ang ano ko lang sa kanya. Hindi masyado maganda ang katawan. Maganda ang Cuba. Ah, galing. Ano nangyari sa China?
Ano siya?
Japan. Ayan. Sa Philippines yan nag-training, di ba?
Egypt.
nakaraan siya.
Nakaswimsuit siya, pero yung...
Sarong.
Oo. Meron lang cover. Gusto ko ganyan ang beauty ko, Fresh, Mexico.
Sa atin ba?
Yan ang parang... ano siya? Trans.
Double
Thailand, oh. Parang walang glow ang Peru. Macau.
Lapad na mukha.
Dapat di straight na lang buhok mo.
Ganon.
Philippines!
Yan.
Da.
Sana yung ano? Ay!
Da. Ay! Woo!
Oh, tanggal. So,
Ay, talagang nag-ano na talaga siya ngayon.
Oh. Yan!
Yan.
Yun, ginawa ang tampisawok. Ginawa ang tampisawok.
Naniwala talaga siya sa mga sabi sa kanya. Ulitin mo lang yung ginawa mo.
Meron pa ano? Paandar? May paandar rin? Siya lang gumawa yun. Parang siya lang. Tapos tinanggal niya. Oh.
Ayan, ginawa niya yan dati.
Sino yan?
Yan.
Tinanggal din niya.
Hindi yung back parang sumayaw, parang cha-cha.
Sino si Bolivia?
Oh.
Malaysia!
Malaysia.
Oh.
Philippines nag-iya sila nag-trade.
Twirl lang naman. Double. Russia. O, ganyan ang Russia. O.
Kaganda.
Katawan. Katawan. 18 years old. Youngest. O.
Kaganda.
Sexy. Katawan ng Rush.
Dominican Republic!
Yan na.
Yan na.
Orasan mo. Orasan.
Go, go, go!
Bagal.
Dapat yan, naglakad na siya eh. Oh, dapat yan, naglalakad na siya.
Ala.
Nako talaga. Anong airtime?
Oh.
Oh.
Ay,
Ay,
bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Nicaragua!
Pang.
Back to back.
The second back-to-back win for a country in the pageant's 73-year history. Let's hope for the best.
Walang book sa kalabas na.
Sa baba. Parang fair pa rin sila.
Ay! May politika
Oh.
pa rin. Ay, ang dumi niya maglakad.
Dumi. Ay,
Dumi.
nagkalang siya.
Bouncy. Yan na. Venezuela.
Zimbabwe yan.
Tampisawok talaga. Bet ko ang tampisawok.
Pare-pareho sila ng hair. Isa lang nag-ayos.
Ay, tapos na. Top 13.
Yung isa, ano na?
Top 12 na.
Oh my God.
Bolivia!
Galing ng Bolivia.
Magaling mo siya.
Issue. Ay, parang mali.
The next one is Mexico!
Venezuela!
Latina lagi. Latina lahat. Ang Russia die.
Argentina!
Live in Mexico for 4 years. Parang siyang birthday sa local
Puerto Rico!
Nigeria!
May black na, may black na.
Siya na Africa.
Isa na ba ang Europe?
Ano siya ni Gloria Diaz?
Finland at saka Denmark.
Maraming Europe.
France.
Netherlands.
Russia! Russia!
Parang Barbie shop mo.
Go Russia! Charot!
Diyos ko, Philippines.
Chile!
Walang pa. Ay, hindi pa. The Barnes.
Ninth spot goes to
Papat na.
Thailand!
Taking the next step towards the crowd
Philippines.
is Denmark!
Ayun.
Tunawan na lang. Oh my God!
Ganda lagi ang kunan.
More than goes to Canada!
Hala.
Oh, wala ang Peru na. Peru na yan.
Pero na yan.
This is it!
Hindi na siya
The
makaibigan.
final
Philippines.
spot in the top 12.
Philippines.
The last
Philippines.
woman advancing is
Philippines!
Peru!
Ginaya si Chelsea.
Ay,
Venezuela.
glamorosa si ano.
Alam na talaga nila ang mga angle nila.
Argentina!
Kaso kung Argentina mo,
Now,
Philippines
some
ka lang
people
sana.
find the nerves associated with being on massive
Maganda
stages
siguro
in
to
front
sa
of millions
person.
of viewers, but Nigeria!
Ito, bet ko
Dapat
din.
ito yung inano kinulong sa ano, sa CR. Kaya hindi pumasok si Chelsea.
Ang mukha ba siya ni Gloria Diaz?
Oo. Baka ito pa mag-win.
Maganda ba ng ganya?
And fun fact, her favorite Miss Universe is my colleague tonight, Catriona Gray.
Ah! Ay, Chile.
Thailand. Ay, hala.
Thailand.
Gaya ang
Downey.
ni
Ni?
Gazir si Juan.
Curry Santiago. Oo.
Denmark.
Favorite. Crowd favorite.
Barbie talaga, no?
Pumasok kahit madumi mo kinakain.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Barbihan ang labanan.
Binahan sa mukha.
Ay!
Canada.
Ay,
Ay.
muntik na maslide.
Pero,
Peru!
simple.
Now it has been 6
Pero meron pa
12 delegates just finished the evening gown round. Let's find out which one of them will advance.
The first delegate moving into the top 5 is Nigeria.
So talaga nag-represent natin.
Mexico!
Baka yung nanalo ka.
Denmark.
Tampa!
Thailand!
Chile.
The last woman still in the running is
Russia.
Venezuela!
Ako tama na to.
Olivia, the huge
Okay, it's already top 5, then crowning na. So my bet is Miss Thailand. How about you?
Nigeria.
And you, of course, Denmark. So tingnan natin sino mananalo in a while.
On one stage, all.
Ayan na, guys!
Crown now.
Okay, the fourth runner-up for Miss Universe is Venezuela!
Tama.
Mas Mexico yan.
The third runner-up is Thailand.
Ay!
Salamat.
Salamat. Denmark talaga.
Denmark or Nigeria?
The second runner-up is Mexico!
Either Denmark or Nigeria.
Nigeria.
We are down. Please.
Oh, naiwan talaga ang dalawa.
Last two standing.
Miss Universe is Denmark.
Wow. Europe again.
Europe talaga.
Congratulations to Miss Denmark.
Favorite talaga. Favorite talaga kasi rin.
She really deserves it. Thank you guys for watching. And see you again next year for the live reaction in Miss Universe 2025. Bye guys!